Ekohotblog weekly review of trending stories. If you're a new subscriber or you're watching for the first time, this is Ekohotblog weekly review of trending stories, where we bring to you the juiciest and trending stories of the week. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Ekohotblog's weekly review of trending stories. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on board. This is where we bring to you interesting, trending and fascinating stories that happened within the course of the week that you may have missed. I am Akiri Dolafiwo and I'll be taking you through the highlighted stories for this week's episode. First, let's take a look at the headlines. PANDEV leader Edwin dies at 97. Dr. Tunji Alausa approves YABATECH's conversion to university. Lagos First Lady advocates for girl child developments. DSS invade Lagos Assembly. Oloja of affair at 80. Fashola celebrates Monarch's legacy leadership in Mbappe. Odoragunshi leader demands installation of Prince Odutuga as king. Pope Francis, diagnosed with double pneumonia, remains in good spirits. Korean actress Kim Se-ryun found dead in apartment. Mbappe scores hat-trick as Real Madrid knock Man City out of Champions League. FA fines Arsenal £65,000 after Luis Skelly red card controversy. Portable surrenders to police amid assault allegations. Kate Henshaw, Pastor Uta Ighodalo spark wedding rumors. And now the news in full. PANDEV leader Edwin dies at 97. Former Federal Commissioner for Information and South-South leader Edwin has passed away at the age of 97. The Pan-Niger Delta Forum PANDEV leader died on Monday night, as confirmed in a statement signed by Professor C.C. Clark on behalf of the family. Ekohotblog gathered that the statement from the Clark-Fuludu Bekederemo family of Kiagbodo Town, Delta State reads, "The Clark-Fuludu Bekederemo family of Kiagbodo Town, Delta State wishes to announce the passing of Chief Dr. Senator Edwin Kiagbodo Clark on Monday, 17 February 2025. The family appreciates your prayers at this time." Still on national news, Dr. Tunji Alausa approves YABATECH's conversion to university. In a major development, Yaba College of Technology, YABATECH, will soon be officially converted into a university, following an announcement by the Minister of Education, Dr. Tunji Alausa, during his visits to the institution. Alausa confirmed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has officially approved the conversion. This move is part of the government's efforts to strengthen the nation's education sector, especially in technical and vocational training. Dr. Alausa praised YABATECH's readiness, citing the institution's strong academic staff, including over 200 doctorate holders, as evidence of its capacity to transition successfully to university status. Dr. Ibrahim Abdul, YABATECH's rector, expressed confidence in the school's ability to deliver high-quality education and contribute to solving societal challenges. He also emphasized the need for federal support to ensure a smooth transition and to position the university as a hub for innovation. The conversion aligns with the government's broader science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and medical sciences agenda. This initiative aims to empower youths with technical skills and reduce unemployment rates. Dr. Alausa also commended the institution's facilities, including a newly commissioned ICT hub and programs aimed at empowering young women with high-income tech skills. As part of his two-day tour, Dr. Alausa assured YABATECH's administration that their request for university status would be fulfilled, with the necessary paperwork underway. He expressed optimism for the future of the institution, noting its potential to lead in technical education. Up next, Lagos news. Lagos First Lady Dr. Claudiana Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu has emphasized the need for increased investments in young boys' mentorship, skills and character development. Speaking at the 2025 Lagos Board Child Initiative workshop, she urged boys to explore vocational trades alongside academics, stressing that all professions are valuable. Skilled artisans are just as vital as doctors or lawyers in a well-functioning society, she stated. She also encouraged breaking gender stereotypes in career choices, noting men often receive more patronage in traditional female-dominated professions like hairdressing and catering. Skill mastery transcends gender. With 200 boys participating, the workshop covered self-esteem, mental health, and drug abuse prevention. Dr. Sanwo-Olu reaffirmed Lagos State's commitment to raising responsible young men for a better future. The future of Lagos depends on the quality of young men we raise today. Let us continue to work together to empower our boys, strengthen our families, and build #Greater Lagos, she concluded. Still on Lagos news, DSS invade Lagos Assembly. Security operatives from the Department of State Security and the Nigerian police sealed the Lagos State House of Assembly on Monday, blocking access to Speaker Mojisola Miranda, her deputy, and a clerk. The operation follows ongoing tensions after the controversial removal of former Speaker Mudashiru Obasa on January 13, 2025. Obasa, who was out of the country during his impeachment, has challenged the decision in court, arguing that the process violated constitutional procedures. Lawmakers condemned the DSS presence, calling it an attack on democracy. Some staff forced their way into the chamber, allowing a preliminary session to proceed. Speaker Miranda was seen in tears while lawmaker Yinka Asho was hospitalized due to the chaos. The DSS later clarified that it acted on a formal request from the Assembly, citing intelligence reports of a possible attempt to reinstate Obasa. A letter from the acting clerk, ATB Otun, had called for increased security to prevent disruptions. Despite the explanation, lawmakers are demanding a full investigation, urging President Bola Tinubu and the National Security Advisor to intervene. The crisis continues as both sides stand firm on their positions. Up next, Ekpe News. Oloja of Ekpe at 80, Fashola celebrates Monarch's legacy leadership in Ekpe. In honor of His Royal Majesty Oba Animashaun 80th birthday and 20th coronation anniversary, a grand lecture was held at Jubilee Chalet Ekpe on February 18th. Themes Leadership, Tradition and Community Development in Contemporary Society. The event gathered dignitaries and community leaders to celebrate the monarch's contributions to Ekpe's progress. Former Lagos State Governor Babatunde Fashola, the keynote speaker, praised Oba Kamaruddin's leadership, stating, "This is a double-barrel celebration, marking not only his longevity, but also his unwavering dedication to Ekpe land." Fashola highlighted the king's role in transforming Ekpe from a conflict-prone town into a thriving economic hub. Under Kabiyesi's reign, Ekpe has witnessed remarkable growth and development, he noted, citing his support for projects like the Lekki-Ekpe Free Trade Zone. The former governor also advised on preserving the integrity of traditional chieftaincy appointments. Key titles must be given based on merit and character, just as in the UK's peerage system, he remarked. Fashola concluded with prayers for Oba Kamaruddin's continued good health and prosperity, emphasizing that his reign has ushered in a new era of stability and progress for Ekpe. Still on Ekpe news, Odoragunshi leaders demand installation of Prince Odutuga as king. Residents and traditional leaders of Odoragunshi in Ekpe have urged Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu to install Prince Adetomiwa Odutuga as their rightful king without further delay. Chief Rashidat Oladega, the Alude of Odoragunshi, expressed frustration over the decade-long leadership vacuum. For almost 10 years, we have waited patiently, but enough is enough. The Odoragunshi throne is not for sale, she declared. Chief Muftau Adebajo accused Mrs. Doja Otedola of interfering in the process, stating she has no right to dictate who becomes our king. The people have spoken. Other leaders, including Chief Giwa Adekunle and Olori Odo Amid Odutayo, reinforced the community's demand. Prince Adetomiwa Odutuga is a grassroots leader who listens to everyone. The community will reject any other choice, Odutayo asserted. Now on to the foreign scene. Pope Francis, diagnosed with double pneumonia, remains in good spirits. Pope Francis has developed double pneumonia while hospitalized for bronchitis, the Vatican confirmed on Tuesday. Despite the complication, he remains in good spirits. A Vatican statement revealed that tests showed a complex picture involving a polymicrobial infection, bronchiectasis, and asthmatic bronchitis. The pontiff admitted to Rome's Gemelli Hospital last Friday has undergone treatment adjustments, including cortisone and antibiotics. Given his medical history, having part of his right lung removed at 21, concerns over his health remain high. The Vatican has cancelled upcoming papal audiences, and his participation in Sunday's Angelus prayers remains uncertain. Pilgrims have gathered in St. Peter's Square and outside the hospital. "I hope he gets better soon," said Austrian tourist Brigitte Gongritz-Meyer. The Vatican also shared children's drawings and letters of encouragement sent to Francis. Despite his ailments, Francis remains active. "I carry on," he said, dismissing resignation concerns. Last year, he completed his longest four-nation tour, proving his commitment to leadership even amid health struggles. Still on international news, Korean actress Kim So-hyun found dead in apartment. South Korean actress Kim So-hyun has been found dead at her home in Seoul, authorities confirmed on Sunday. Ekohotblog reports that the 24-year-old was discovered in her apartment in Seongsu-dong district around 4:55 p.m. by a friend. Police stated that no signs of foul play have been detected and an investigation is underway to determine the cause of death. Kim, who began a career as a child actor, was regarded as one of South Korea's most promising young stars. She rose to prominence in 2009 with a critically acclaimed role in A Brand New Life, which premiered at the Cannes Film Festival. She further gained recognition for her performance in the 2010 hit film The Man from Nowhere and the 2012 thriller The Neighbor, which earned her industry awards. Kim continued to establish herself with notable roles in films like A Girl at My Door 2014 and the television drama Mirror of the Witch 2016. However, her career took a downturn in 2022 following a drunk driving incident. She was arrested and later fined 20 million won, £11,000 in April 2023. As a result, she withdrew from the public eye and her role in Netflix's 2023 K-drama Bloodhounds was largely edited out. The news of her passing has shocked fans and the entertainment industry, with tributes pouring in from colleagues and supporters. Authorities have yet to release further details regarding the circumstances surrounding her death. Up next, sports news. Mbappe scores hat-trick as Real Madrid knocked Man City out of Champions League. Kylian Mbappe delivered a stunning hat-trick as reigning champions Real Madrid cruised past Manchester City with a 3-1 victory on Wednesday, sealing a commanding 6-3 aggregate win to reach the last 16. Pep Guardiola's side, missing star striker Erling Haaland, struggled to make an impact and suffered an early exit at the hands of the 15-time champions. Madrid dominated from the start, with Mbappe opening the scoring in just the 4th minute with a delicate lob over Edison after a pinpoint-long pass from young defender Asensio. The French forward doubled the lead before halftime, linking up brilliantly with his attacking partners to slice through City's defense. He completed his treble in the second half with a precise low strike from the edge of the box, taking his Champions League tally to 7 goals in 10 appearances this season. City, the 2023 winners, failed to mount a serious challenge, reflecting their inconsistent form this campaign. Their woes deepened when John Stones limped off early, adding to the absence of Haaland, who was only fit enough for the bench after picking up a knock against Newcastle. Real Madrid, on the other hand, welcomed back Antonio Rudiger from injury, allowing Tchouaméni to return into midfield, where he played a pivotal role in controlling the game. Madrid's relentless attack kept City on the back foot, with Fede Valverde going close and Edison forced into a crucial save from Mbappe after another incisive long ball from Tchouaméni. City managed a late consolation through Nico Gonzalez in stoppage time, but it was too late as Madrid stamped their authority on the tie, marching into the next round with another statement performance. Still on sports news, FA fines Arsenal £65 after Lewis Skelly red card controversy. Arsenal have been fined £65,000 by Football Association for failing to control their players during their 1-0 Premier League win against Wolves on 25 January. The charge stemmed from an incident in the 43rd minute when Arsenal players surrounded referee Michael Oliver after he showed Miles Lewis-Skelly a straight red card for a challenge on Matt Doherty. VAR upheld the decision, ruling it as serious foul play. Arsenal admitted to failing to ensure their players did not behave in an improper manner, leading to the fine imposed by an independent regulatory commission. Meanwhile, after the match, Professional Game Match Officials Limited revealed that police were investigating threats and abuse directed at Michael Oliver and his family on social media. Now, let's take a look at what's buzzing in the world of showbiz and entertainment. Portable surrenders to police amid assault allegation. Controversial singer Habib Okikiola, popularly known as Portable, has surrendered to the police following his declaration as wanted by the Ogun State Police Command. Portable first turned himself in at the Lagos State Criminal Investigation Department in Yaba before being transferred to Ogun State. Lagos Police spokesperson Benjamin Hundeyin confirmed the handover, stating that Ogun Police would proceed with the case. The singer is facing allegations of assaulting 3 officials from the Ogun State Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development during an enforcement exercise in Ota. Following the incident, 9 of his alleged accomplices were arrested and arraigned on charges of felony, assaults, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace. The suspects pleaded not guilty. After failing to respond to police invitations, Portable was declared wanted. In response, he posted a video on social media describing himself as a madman undergoing treatment at the Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital, Aro Abeokuta, in an apparent plea for leniency. Upon his arrival at the Ogun State Police Command, spokesperson Omolola Odutuga assured the public that due process would be followed in handling the case and urged against spreading unverified information. Still on entertainment news, Kate Henshaw, Pastor Uta Ighodalo spark wedding rumors. Nollywood actress Kate Henshaw is rumored to be planning a wedding with Pastor Uta Ighodalo of Trinity House, Lagos. Pastor Ighodalo lost his wife Ibidunni in 2020, and reports suggest he has now found love again. Popular blogger Gistlover hinted at his alleged plans to marry a well-known fitness-loving actress, believed to be Henshaw. Though neither has confirmed the rumors, social media users speculate about their close bond. Fans remain divided, with some supporting the alleged union while others question the timing. And that is a wrap on this week's episode of Ekohotblog's weekly review of trending stories. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to always get notified. Which of the news was most astonishing to you? Tell us in the comment section below. I am Akere Dollar Favor. Till next time, stay safe and healthy.